Okay, so we've got a BMW 1 Series 2014 lost key situation.
Well, you know, the worst thing is, I bet I'm gonna find the key. I bet you're gonna find the key.
Bullseye. To program a key for this car, so first of all we'll have to remove the engine ECU, read some codes out of it, then we remove a module which is on the passenger side of the car that holds memory of your car keys. Let's get some gloves on because this is gonna be a dirty one. There you go. It's the FEM module. This is the module that we have to work on when we program the key. Key is done. Give it a quick test, please. Give it a quick test. Lock, unlock and start the car.